It's been a while since I recorded a car meet or a car show, but today we're going to change that. You might be asking yourself why I look like Curious George. It's because it's raining, and it's raining a lot. But regardless, we're going to see what we find. So let's go. So we made it to the meet. There's a pretty decent turnout. Obviously, this is Dionys's car. That's Dionys right there. Yes, but, sir. Bro, I had to park next to the Integra. You already know, bro. And it's boosted too. That's crazy. All right, it's a pretty decent turnout. So let's see what we can find around here. There's already a wide body BRZ or FRS over there. I have no idea what it is, but obviously we're gonna go check that out. With the nice Evo 10 looking here. I don't really like Evo 10s, but this one looks nice. You know what I mean? It's a nice color. I like the fitment. Nothing too crazy. It looks good. All right, boys. You know this is the goal right here. You know this is the goal right here. Look how beautiful this car looks. Hey, man. We'll get there one day, boys. We'll get there one day. Watch. Got a GTR. Definitely gonna get one of these one day. Have to get one of these one day. Bro, everything here is looking pretty fire. Like, look at this Evo on bags. I'm telling you, I don't like Evo 10s, but I don't know. I'm more of Evo 9, Evo 8 type of guy, but they looking nice. They looking nice, I'm not gonna lie. Man, my man dropping nukes over there. Look. That's a whole freaking nuke over there. Ultimate mom-mobile. Bro, imagine taking the kids to soccer in this. Well, in my case, basketball. Nah, this super color, fire, bro. I really wanted this color on the BRZ, but you know, maybe when it's wide body, we'll do something crazy like this. But shit, fire. And then of course, you gotta have the Mopar. All right, so I might get a lot of hate for this, but to get in is $25, right? I'm not paying $25 to look at like 5 cars. They like, I can see them all through here. Look, they look nice and all, but that's it. There's nothing else down there. And to get in here, it's $25. I'm not doing that. So this vlog is gonna be a little shorter than I anticipated. Something pretty unique that I've seen, haven't seen anywhere else. They actually have a racing simulator over here. Like, that's unique and pretty cool. Like that, I'll pay $25 for that. All right, this Mustang, pretty fire. Like if I had a Mustang, bro, this is probably how it would look. This is clean. Oh yeah, SRT gang with the bags. Oh man. I think that's a 2-step comp.
It fucks, bro. I saw that. Oh my god! I want to hear it again just in case.
My man needs to open the valve, right?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Sorry. That's it.
Got the little wide body Miata. It looks clean. It looks real clean. With the real stars right here, baby. I need an Evo 9, Evo 8 in my life. Like, there's no doubt about it. I need it. I'm gonna get it. Next car right here. Guaranteed next car. Unless it's a drift car. But guaranteed next car right here. Alright, take it easy before we crash into that tree. Nah, this right here, this is different. This is really different. Oh man. Alright, boys and girls, it was a quick little fun one, but it's time to skedat because my glasses, bro, I can't see anything. Then the camera's getting wet, and you know, the turnout wasn't as big as we expected because obviously the rain. So that's nobody's fault, but you know, Mother Nature. But you know, she's gonna keep doing her thing. But time to go home, play some freaking Call of Duty ranked. All right, so when I was leaving, I did notice that there was actually a lot more cars inside than I thought. But either way, I still wasn't gonna pay $25. I know it was like to support, you know, obviously support them coming down. Like they're great, you know what I mean? They bring cool stuff around and all that. But I just, today wasn't the day I was gonna pay $25 for that. But other than that, next time they have a meet, I'm gonna go and actually record everything. You know what I mean? Because obviously it didn't do it justice today. It's a nice event, but just today wasn't it. But next time they have an event, trust me, I'll be there recording it, and I'll like get all the good sides. So don't worry, and I'll pay the $25 then. But today with the rain and all that, nah, I couldn't feel my hands. Nah, it wasn't a good day. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.